Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of orangutans, where we'll dive deep into their biology, morphology, and the unique places they call home.
Hello fellow animal lovers, today we are in for an adventure at here Zoo Negara. As we delve into the captivating world of orangutans, join us as we uncover their biology, basic morphology, and where do they come from.
Let's start with their unique morphology. Orangutans are renowned for their shaggy, reddish-brown fur.
Orangutans, also known as the people of the forest, are fascinating creatures with their remarkable biology.
Their morphology is tailored for these tree-dwelling lifestyles. Orangutans have long, strong arms with hook-like hands that make them excellent climbers. They can move effortlessly through the tree trunks. Orangutans belong to the great ape family, sharing 97% of their DNA with humans. They are predominantly arboreal, meaning they spend most of their lives in the trees. Males even sport these remarkable cheek pads that develop as they mature.
But where do they originate from? Orangutans are native to the large rainforest of Borneo and Sumatra in Southeast Asia.
These rainforests are their natural habitats, where they play vital roles in maintaining the balance of the ecosystems. Zoos like this one are not just about exhibiting animals, but also about raising awareness and supporting conservation efforts.
Our zoo has created an environment that resembles their natural habitats, allowing us to appreciate the beauty of this ecosystem.
Our dedicated zookeepers work tirelessly to ensure the well-being of these orangutans and conduct enrichment activities to stimulate their minds.
Thank you for joining me in these adventurous activities of learning about orangutans' biology, morphology, and habitats at our Zoo Negara. Now, let's move on to the next part of the importance of this species to the ecosystem.
Next, what are the importance of orangutan to our ecosystem? Firstly, we know that orangutan eats fruits and insects as their diet. Over 500 plant species have been recorded in their diet. They act as gardeners who play a vital role in helping the dispersion of seeds and forest regeneration. Secondly, the dispersion of seeds will help to maintain the tree species from extinctions. Hence, more trees will continuously grow and be sufficient for all the animals in the forest. Thirdly, orangutan also helps maintain the health of the ecosystem by maintaining the species that are very useful for the ecosystem. And lastly, orangutan also encourage the establishment of protected areas by being the embedded species. Hence, the other species are automatically protected too, since orangutan require a large area as their habitat.
Hello guys, my name is Nurufata Nadia binti Abdul Jalil. I will share with you guys about problem faced by orangutan. Have you known about that? If you don't, let me explain to you. Day by day, the population of orangutan is decreasing. This is because there's a lot of threat that are facing by orangutan. The first one is deforestation and habitat loss. The habitat of Asia's only-great apes are fast disappearing under the chainsaw to make way for oil palm plantation and other agriculture plantation. Illegal logging inside protected area and sustainable logging in possession where orangutan live remain a major threat to their survival. Today, more than 50% of orangutan are found outside protected area in the forest under management by timber, palm oil, and mining companies. Number 2 is illegal pet trade. Even though the trade of baby orangutan is forbidden, the trafficking in infants orangutan is continued to trade. Every year, hundreds of baby orangutan are removed from the wild for the pet trade. In this procedure, the mother is killed and the child is taken. For your information, for every baby that is sold, 4 to 5 orangutan are thought to perish. The baby frequently die from wounds sustained when they fall hundreds of feet from the canopy after their mother is shot. Other than that, the infants of orangutan die because of the trauma of witnessing their mother is killed and possibly butchered. In addition, the baby orangutan die because of disease acquired from humans. Despite how adorable orangutan infants are, they make terrible pets. In conclusion, wild animal should never be kept as a pet. The last one is hunted. Orangutan are an easy target for hunters because they are large and slow target. They are killed for food or in retaliation when they move into agricultural areas and destroy crops. This usually occurs when orangutan can find the food they need in the forest.
Actions taken for conservation. First of all, we have Zoo Negara. Zoo Negara is located in Selang. This orangutan section is situated in the App Center at the Zoo Negara. We have received 1.1 million sponsorship from the Malaysian Palm Oil Green Conservation Foundation and the OGCF to upgrade their facility. There are two species of orangutan in the Zoo Negara, which are Bornean orangutans and Sumatran orangutans. Next, we have Sepilo Orangutan Rehabilitation Center, a 43 square kilometer of protected land at the edge of Kabili Sepilo Forest Reserve was turned into a rehabilitation site for orangutans. Today, around 60 to 80 orangutans are living independently in the reserve and approximately 25 orphan orangutans are housed in the nurseries. Next, we have charitable organization Rehabilitation Center protect wild 43 square kilometers and safeguard the forest of Kabili Sepilo Forest Reserve was in a support rehabilitation site for orangutans. Monthly today, around 60 to 80 orangutans are living conservation center or park. For example, we have 12 of Orangutan Foundation and Sumatran Orangutan Society. Next, last but not least, we have Sepilo Orangutan Rehabilitation Center. A 43 square kilometer of protected land at the edge of Kabili Sepilo Forest Reserve was turned into a rehabilitation site for forest products. Today, around 60 to 80 orangutans are living independently in resources and approximately 25 of it we have a house, shoes, and wood. As we can see, the next we have Sepilo Orangutan Rehabilitation Center.
There are some suggestions to enhance the conservation activities. First of all, parents should play a pivotal role. They should expose their children to conservation activities since a young age. For example, parents can bring their little children to go visit National Zoo during school holiday. What's more, they should encourage the children to learn about the conservation activities by buying their reading materials like comic and storybook about orangutan. This might seem like good things, but I believe it will be theirs as the huge impact, especially in the future. The reason why children will be more encouraged to implement the conservation activities that they have read from the materials in real life, not only improving their knowledge. When their children get used to this practice, they will keep doing it until they grow up. It's such a great thing. Other than that, parents also are recommended to purchase FSC Forest Stewardship Council certified products. This helps in protecting the forest that is habitat for orangutan. Secondly, school is game changer. As what we know, we learn a lot from this institution. The school also obligated to enhance the conservation activities. The Ministry of Education and the Ministry of Higher Education should apply the element of conservation in syllabus of their school, college, or university through science subject and biology. Furthermore, they also should organize a school trip or a field trip as a fun informal learning method. I'm sure it will provide a lot of beneficial information as well as a remarkable experience. It can be done at Rehabilitation Center. Uh, Thirdly, social media platform is one of the way to enhance the conservation activities. The social media have lots of users that it indicate it have a big influence. So the campaign by charitable organizations like WWF and Orangutan Foundation should be promoted online. They can create their own official page online. As the outcome, the users can donate through their page conveniently in order to in order to conserve the orangutan. Other than that, they can also use the social media platform to spread awareness about orangutan. In particular, content creator can create a content about endangered species of orangutan and post it on TikTok account. As the count of views and likes increase, the number of people that realize about these matters and has raised awareness will be increased too. This is also indicates how the social media works as the knowledge sharing platform.